Oh, here, Russell. You stay right there. Okay. Potato. 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 Look. Potato. I think she's just so happy to be back. Oh no, she sees you. It's over. Papa! Come here! Papa, come here! Come here! Come here! Come here! Come here! Come here! See, watch, see if she'll push the door open. Come here! Papa, come here!
Dirty eventually.
Well, if you get a little bit closer, maybe she'll do it. There she goes.
Leah, did you want to take some of the turkey and dressing and stuff?
Yes, please. Popeye? 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 A potato! Potato! Hi, baby. No, she's too happy to have you here. Popeye, come here, come here, come here, come here, come here, come here, come here.
What are you recording all this, Linda?
Yeah. You can undo it.